How to verify your identity on FanDuel. Now, verifying your identity on FanDuel is a crucial step to ensure that you comply with the platform's legal requirements, particularly regarding age, location, and responsible gaming. In order to complete the identity verification process on FanDuel, simply launch the FanDuel app, and this is the type of interface you will see. Tap on the account icon, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and if your account isn't already verified over there, you'll find the option to verify your account. There, you can simply enter your date of birth and your full information like your social security number, tax ID number, address. It might also ask you for some of the supporting documents, so once done, make sure to go ahead and upload the documents, and once you've provided all the necessary information, once FanDuel reviews it, they'll be able to verify your respective account. So this way you'll be able to verify your identity on FanDuel. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.